See my baby chin?
Yeah.
Tell them what happened to your chin.
It's hurting.
It was hurting?
Yeah.
It fell down?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, don't worry about his hurt. You fell down like that? Alright, let me turn the light on. Yeah, that's fine.
It's a box, Mama. Other box.
Box inside of a box.
Other one. It's the other one.
A box inside of a box.
That's the other one. It's the other one. That's the other one. Let's see if this is inside. Mommy, see if something inside.
Okay.
Wow! What, Mommy, look. Wow! What is that? Oh my God. It's doing it. Go.
Click right in. Hold these down.
Cover it. Eat help.
Let me put this at the top. Can you help me up?
Yeah. I got it. Fit. It fit. And fit. Fit. Mommy, it fit.
Good job. Got a lot more to go. So this is what I have so far. I think 11. Working on 12. Bro, I don't even want to show y'all this closet, but I have to show y'all what it looked like before and after, right? Okay. Okay, hold on. This is how it's looking with all the boxes. Some not even in the boxes. It just look a mess. Okay, that's the before. So this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. And all the empty boxes I kept and I just stacked them up there. But yeah. Hey you guys, Bryson is about to take me out to dinner and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So I just fixed my hair, my edges, couple of poofy parts. I already want to take these braids down. I know. Anywho, say what's up.
What's up? I got coins.
What you got? Some coins? Oh, baby, he finna take me out to eat, baby. You got a little hair on it? Yeah. Pick your coins up, but anyway, I'm finna do. I wanna do the vermin. My lashes, maybe. Maybe my eyebrows and my lashes. We'll see. You don't like that? What be wrong with you? Anyway, good morning. Good morning. It's a new day. We forgot to vlog going out to dinner. What's wrong? Oh, he always gotta say what's up. Say what's up.
What's up?
You wanna tell them what you wanna tell them? Subscribe and stuff. Tell them.
Subscribe.
What else?
Bye-bye and watching.
Not bye-bye, thanks for watching. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to move that to the end. I don't know why. I haven't even done nothing and I'm tired. Huh?
I said bye-bye and watching.
You did. You said it. You want to say it again? Yes? Anyway, I'm already ready to take my hair down. I got TikTok package. TikTok package that I'm finna open. It's a little 2-piece suit thing.
Really?
I'm gonna hurry up and I guess do a video today.
What?
I got a large. I said I was gonna start getting large. These mediums is not medium in no more. When I first started getting this stuff in, all the mediums was good. And I ordered the same thing in a different color and the mediums be a little snug. So, I didn't know this material was this. It don't matter. But, if y'all want this set, this material is this. On the picture, it look like the material is like sweats. But y'all know how these folk do. But y'all don't know how these folk do. Oh yeah, large. 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 Good. The large is good. It's a little cropped. A little bit. Hold up. It's a little cropped. So yeah, this is the jacket. These are the pants. And then they just got this at the bottom. But yeah, I think that'll be cute. I need to repaint my shoes. Because I already know what shoes I want to wear with them. I'm gonna clean up. It's a mess up in here. Got a couple of dishes in the sink. I haven't cooked, so it's not a lot of dishes in the sink. Gotta finish washing. Yep, move those clothes to the dryer. Okay. It's a little messy up in here. I want to see the before and after. Bam. All these dishes over here is clean. All this stuff is clean. I'm just have to put this stuff up and wash a couple of dishes that's in the sink. This stuff is like mainly trash. So anyway, and this is my boy. And he's playing with his, what is that? What is it called?
It's a lifesaver.
It's a lifesaver. Wow.
What?
Whoa. All right. I'm doing a try on haul and I can't even fit it. This button just keep popping off. But I'm gonna show y'all the outfit though. Put this button won't let me live. This little button. And this is cute though. This is really cute. And I'm short though, so I'll show y'all like the length on the ground. Like this. Hold on, let me get back. I see it. It just, so I whoop our heels and it'll be like this. I can't even give him a try on haul because baby, I can't even fit it. But I done lost 5 pounds within this past week. I have 5 more to go. And then boom. So I think 5 pounds I'll be able to fit in it. So yeah. Anywho, I think I'm done with my promo videos today. Unless I'm forgetting something. I think I'm done so far. This was the last little outfit. I had so many of these. So many of these. But this was the last one. So, anywho. Anywho, I don't even know what I'm finna do. I know I need to cook today. I don't even know what to do now. Oh, I gotta edit. Let me edit. I'm trying to get these videos rolling out. You guys, it's raining a little bit. What is it called? Isolated showers? I don't know. It's like spotty. It's raining and across the street and it ain't raining over here type stuff. But anyway, I'm going to I've been so busy. I haven't even picked up the camera or nothing because I've been that busy, like for real though. But anyway, I was taking my hair down while I was driving yesterday. That's how busy I was. Anyway, I'm finna go to Walmart and get some cilantro. Maybe a new onion. Anyway, I'm about to go get some cilantro and make some street tacos from steak. Anywho, and I don't know if I was gonna end the vlog here because baby, I don't even know how much footage I got or what I got or what. Yeah, it's been busy. I had to do 2 cakes. I had to do hair. I had to do like. But anywho, I'm at the Walmart. Oh, as y'all can see, I'm at the Walmart now. And then, oh yeah, I'm gonna go get my cilantro. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe because I'm a vibe. Bye.